Hi there. So today I'm going to talk about 4 features which could be really useful for the legal team in any organization. So the first feature I want to talk about, like how you can create a PDF and then add a page number from a specific page. The second feature I'll talk about is how you can just go ahead and create bookmark, because legal documents could be a very long document of probably 100, 200 or 500 pages, and creating like a bookmark could be really handy when other people wants to navigate through that specific document. And then we will share that document for the review between the different teams. And once we have the final document, then we will send it for the signature and get a signed copy of the document. So let's get started. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the file. So this is a non-disclosure agreement, which I have got it into a Word format. And now I'll just come here and click to create it into a PDF format. So now we have the PDF format of this document, and I would like to apply the page number on all the pages, and the page number should be starting from this page number 3. So I'll come here, click on edit PDF, and then click on header and footer, and here I can click on add, and here we are presented with different options. So first would be like, what is the font I want to use into my header and footer, what should be the size, if I want to set up margins as well into the entire document, then where I want to put the header or the footer. So this page number I want to insert it as a footer. So what I will do is first click on this option, page number and date format. So here I'll select this page number and choose the style as page 1 and click on OK. And next I'll click on this option where I can just go and select the page range. So in this document, I don't want pages to start numbering from page 1, right? I want to start from page 3. So I'll choose the page range from page 3 to page 7. And then I'll choose like I want it to all the pages, or if I want to apply on even pages, all the pages, odd pages. But I want to apply this page number to all the pages. Put the cursor here and then click on insert page number. If I want to see the preview, like how this page numbers are going to appear. So now I have navigated to page number 3, and here I see this particular page will open as page 1, and it looks good. I can simply come here, click on OK. But maybe I have certain other documents as well where I would like to apply the same setting, maybe the same font, same size, same type of page number. So what I can do is come here, click on save setting, and here I can name it as a heading, or probably I'll call it as a page style 1. Click on OK. So now this style has been saved, and click on OK. And immediately if I go through this document, the page numbers has been applied to all the pages ranging from page 3 to page 7. So this is the quick way how I can choose different segments of the pages and apply the page number with just one click. So the next feature I want to talk about is how we can create a bookmark. So here, like probably I have this table of content. So this document is 7 pages long, and I want to create certain bookmark. So if someone clicks on this term 1, they should be like redirected to that specific terms and conditions pages. So before doing that, what I will do is I'll first go ahead and create certain bookmark. I'll just select this text like term 1, and then I'll click on this option, go to my bookmark panel, and I will click on this create bookmark. So now this first bookmark has been created. Next I'll navigate to term 2, and again come here, click on term 2, and then I'll quickly navigate to term 3. So here again I'll add this 3 bookmark, and now I'll scroll up and go to my table of content. So here I have this first section, and now I want to link this particular table of content to this specific terms. So I'll click on this edit PDF option, and here I'll click on this option like add or edit web or document link, and just simply draw a rectangle. So once I draw the rectangle, this box will open up where I can decide like what kind of appearance I want. So definitely I want it as an invisible rectangle. So I'll make this I'll choose this option as a default. Then I'll choose the link action as go to a page view, click on next, and then quickly select this term 1 and click on set link. Similarly, I'll just go and probably I'll draw another rectangle for this term 2, go to next, click on this term 2 and click on set link, and quickly move on to this term 3, next, term 3, set link. So here the entire bookmark has been created and links has also been established. And if I want to test it, so probably if I click on term 1, then it will quickly go ahead and redirect me to the term 1. And if I scroll up, maybe I want to navigate to the term 3, I'll just hover over my pointer and then it will directly point out to this term 3 conditions. So this is how setting a bookmark and creating a link between the different pages could be a quick way to create a table of content or navigate through the documents easily. So now this document has been authored, and as a next step, I want to send it to different people to provide their review and comment on this document. And here what I can do is simply enter the email ID of maybe my client. So here I can enter the email ID. Here I can enter the email ID of the people with whom I want to share the document. Similarly, maybe I want to send it with my client as well. So I'll come here, enter their email ID, define a message. Please review the agreement. I can decide whether they should be able to comment or not. I can also set up a deadline. So now this document has been sent. We see the green button here. I can see this document has been shared between these 3 people. And now I'll quickly jump to the persona of this other person, Raghu, who has received this email. And now what Raghu wants to do is just open this document, review the terms and conditions of this draft agreement. So Raghu will just Raghu would be on any device anywhere, and Raghu can simply open this document. So here Raghu has opened this document. So now what Raghu wants to do is maybe Raghu wants to highlight certain area of the terms and conditions. Raghu can simply come and highlight certain area, and maybe he want to mark certain changes around certain text. He can just go ahead, make the mark. If I want to change the color, so I can come and change the color to something else, draw the mark on some other area so that my comments are highlighted. And this is how the collaboration becomes very easy. So if I come here and open this comments panel, so I was the one who was creating and working on this document. So if I scroll up, I can see that on this particular document, the comment which has been provided by Raghu has been highlighted. So here I can see all the comments made by the Raghu. So this is how the collaboration, comments and the review process becomes streamlined and very seamless. And here you could see that the moment people are making comments, immediately the entire comment is being available within Adobe Acrobat to the other person. So that being a part of legal team of this ABC Corp, I can simply go ahead and make changes into this document and get it reviewed and reduce this entire cycle. So now probably this document has been finalized, the comment has been made, and now I'll make required changes into this document, and then I can go ahead and click on resolve. This particular change has been made. Next, what I want to do is I want to send this document to the signature to Raghu, since I have made all the required changes and he is ready to sign this agreement. So now I have made all the required changes, and next I want to send this document to my legal head, which is the internal person, and then I want this document to be routed to Raghu, who is the external person. So this document is open, and next I'll click on this option, request signature, and here I'll get an option to add the recipient email ID. Maybe I would need more options in order to define different rows to different people. So I'll click on add more options, and here I enter the email ID of this person who is the internal legal head. Next I'll enter the email ID of Raghu. So these are the 2 people who needs to sign this document, and here is my agreement which is attached. And next I'll click on submit and specify the places where these two people needs to sign. So here first I'll switch the role to this internal legal head and I'll drag this signature. Maybe I also want to capture his name, so I'll simply put this name field on top of it. Okay, next I'll switch the role as Raghu, and next I'll drag this name field for the customer, and I would like to add a signature field for Raghu here, and click on send. So here this legal head has received this document, and being a part of legal head, I'll just click on review and sign, and then this document will open up into the browser. Next I'll go through this document. It looks good to me. Here I'll come and maybe I want to enter my name, so I'll just enter my name as a legal head. Click on apply, click on sign. So now this document has been signed by this legal head, and maybe I'm also worried about like what's happening on the document, and I want to track the status of this document. So here I received this email that this document has been signed, but what if I want to like track my agreements? So I can come to the Acrobat interface, and here I'll get this option like track your agreements. So I'll just open this link, and here under the Spanish tab, maybe I want this document into in progress state. I can see, okay, this document has been sent to the Raghu Tripathi. Here I can see, okay, one person has completed. Here I can see one person has completed. I can see this entire document journey. Like now this document is being pending to this other person, Raghu Tripathi, who needs to take this action. So if I want to send a reminder email, I can come here and send a reminder email to this person, Raghu Tripathi, to sign this document. But I'll quickly switch to the persona of this other person, Raghu, who has received this document, and now being Raghu, I want to sign this document, and it looks good to me. Next, I'll go to this page. Here I can see the name and signature of this legal head. Next, I'll come and maybe I want to draw my signature, so I'll simply come here, draw my signature, and enter my name as Raghu Tripathi. Click on apply and click to sign. So now this entire document journey has been completed. So I started from Adobe Acrobat, where I created this document, added the page numbers, added some hyperlink, bookmark, sent it for review, and then got the document signed within Adobe Acrobat interface. So this is how Adobe Acrobat can help to streamline the document journey from the creation till the signature process and getting a signed copy. Thank you.